Hello, welcome to our channel. My name is Wayne and my wife's name is Kathy. This channel is about the things that we use that are in the house that we built ourselves. If you like what you see, if you like the item that we'll be discussing, please click on the link below. Also, please go to the site and buy the item. Today's review is about the stainless steel undermount sink that we installed in our laundry. This sink has a single bowl and is only 17 inches wide, but it is also 17 inches deep towards the back wall. The bottom of the sink is 10 inches below our counter in order to reduce the splashing out of water. We chose to install the faucet on the side. The sink is constructed of real 16 gauge T304 stainless steel that is 1.5 millimeters thick. Our sink has a satin sheen finish to work with our kitchen decor. This sink really looks good. We use this sink to pre-clean stained clothing, rinse paint from tools, and as a follow-up cleaning for our various projects. It is a true work sink for a small space. As our laundry room is very close to all of our living areas, we wanted the sink to be quiet. Noise reduction is helped by the use of rubber padding to absorb vibration. Also, our sink came with a kitchen towel, mounting brackets, and a cutout. The price included delivery to our new home. If you like this video, please click on the link below and buy the sink. Thank you for watching.
More videos are on the way. Please click on the link in the description. Thank you for watching.